Hello students, our latest project is about living things, and I have posted a Google Doc about the subject. I want you to click on it and it's going to open. It is a Google Doc, as I mentioned. I'd like to show you how to use this. A Google Doc is easy to use. You might see a little button on this side. It's for the outline of the document. If I click any of these are headings and subheadings. So for example, if I click on animal adaptation, it jumps to that section. Okay, so hibernation, it goes there, so you can see that. Then you could close this and you can scroll this up as well. If you're using a phone or a tablet, you can use your finger and swipe up and down to go up and down. If you're using a computer, you can either scroll this way or use the arrows on the keyboard to go up and down. If you go to view, you have options. This is the print layout. You can make it so that it's continuous. You don't see page breaks. You can zoom in, go to view, zoom, let's say 50%, and you can read this. You could have screen readers reading this, like Read and Write Gold. Okay, and I expect you to read all the content and study them carefully. There will be a quiz later on that will be about these concepts. Okay, this is for grade 3 and grade 4 science. Grade 3s are studying plants. Grade 4s are studying living communities and habitats. You might notice that you can't change this document. If you try to write here, it won't let you. It's my copy that I made and I shared with you. If you want to have your own copy, you go to File, Make a Copy, and then it's going to change the title to Copy of. So you change that to your name, leave the rest the same, and click OK. It'll save it in Google Drive. Then once you save it, it's going to take a few seconds. Now you're allowed to edit this. So editing would be like highlighting. Maybe if you want to highlight something, see, biology is study of living organisms. You can go and highlight it if you want. Highlight important information. You can add your own information. If you find something that is not here, you can add your own. Okay, and it automatically saves. You don't need to save it. Once you close it, it's still in your drive. Okay, thanks. Take care and stay well.